Sup, plebada? Welcome back. All right. So what we got cooking? We bought a pizza a while back. It's like a week old, but hey. From Sam's Club, 16-inch. We go with just cheese. And then once we're home, we put the ingredients we want. We're heating up the oven right now to 375. We just came from Sam's Club. Bought some baby bags. Look at these. So we're gonna be doing some air frying recipes with this. And we're also just gonna do some barbecue ribs. We'll probably show you guys how we do the barbecue, how long we put them in the oven, for how much time, and all that good stuff, blah. So stay tuned. Videos every Friday now.
Wait, look at my lemon.
And you got me a big ass lemon. We'll use this for the air fryer recipe. But right now I'm about to break these down, clean them up a little bit, dry them, and get them ready for tomorrow. Stay tuned. Alright, blah, like we said before, we just want to mention it again. We're going to start uploading videos every Friday. Whether it be food, going somewhere, and we're thinking about a TikTok. But for sure, YouTube videos on Fridays.
Yay!
Stay tuned. Alright, plebada. So this is how you break it down. Get a napkin. First you want to dry it. Nice and dry on one side. Turn it. You want to dry it. This for regular rib or baby back, it doesn't matter. Next step, the membrane. You got it? You get it? Just remove it. Once it's nice and cleaned, nice clean baby back. Yo, what's up, vlog? So I had to take a small break. So now you're just gonna put salt on both sides. Make sure you put a decent amount of salt because they're going in the oven. And then we finish with some paprika. Put it back in the fridge. I had started it, but I was gonna record it for y'all. Look, 2 of these, just 2, and then some panocha. This is a pilloncillo or panocha. If you like it real sweet, you put a big ass piece. I like mine's a little bit more spicier than sweet, so we just put 2 of those. I had it right here. It's gonna reduce by half. Alright, barbecue time. First we're gonna chop up everything. Then we're gonna put a little bit. Ain't no measurements. just off the down. Got that. Get the fire kicking. Some garlic, 2 garlic cloves. Green apple. Mango. We're gonna put some pepper, paprika, Habanero.
Just throw everything in there. The onion first. Get some pepper in here. Paprika. Get the apple going. Just throw everything in there. Mango. Habanero.
Like I said, we like spicy here, so a little bit of chile árbol. A little bit of soy sauce. Mustard. And some ketchup. And some honey. And some honey. And then just stir for a little bit. Be back. Alright. So the shit we blended up, this mix, don't smell it. Cause they got Habanero and chile árbol. Man, this is strong. I can smell it. Just put it in the cider. Ribs are on the grill. I probably left them 2 hours at 375, and then covered them for another 2.5, 3 hours at 375. Man, they look good. All right, play final product. Phone falls off, literally.